Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Alienware M18. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, let's discuss the issue at hand. If your Dell Alienware M18 keeps flashing its BIOS, it could be due to a corrupted firmware or a failing component. This can lead to further complications if not addressed promptly, such as system instability or complete failure to boot. Therefore, it's crucial to resolve this issue as soon as possible. To carry out this repair, you will need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic spudger, and some thermal paste for reassembly. Begin by ensuring that the device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft surface to avoid any scratches. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Make sure to keep them in a safe place for reassembly later. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips. Inside, locate the BIOS chip, which is usually situated on the motherboard. This component often has a label indicating its function. If you're unsure, refer to the service manual for your device. To extract the BIOS chip, gently pull it out using the spudger, being careful not to apply too much force, as this may damage the motherboard. Replace it with a new BIOS chip, ensuring it is securely seated in the socket. Remember to reconnect any cables that may have been disconnected during this process. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the BIOS chip, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Start by applying a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU before replacing the back panel. Align the panel correctly and press it down until you hear the clips click into place. Finally, replace the screws, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, to avoid stripping them. Now, power on your device to verify that the issue has been resolved. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations, you have successfully repaired your Dell Alienware M18. To prevent this issue from occurring again, keep your BIOS updated and avoid sudden power cuts by using a surge protector. Regularly check for software updates and maintain your device's health. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.